80% of vehicle fuels are derived from crude oil, a fossil fuel found in reservoirs below the Earth's surface. The oil is then refined into gasoline and used in combustion engines in cars. A combustion engine in a car burns gasoline and releases CO2 out the tailpipe. Transportation accounts for 28.9% of the United States' 6,457 million metric tons of yearly CO2 emissions, making it the primary source of emissions. To put that into perspective, 1 million metric tons is equivalent to 2.2 billion pounds. Over 90% of the fuel used to power cars and trucks is petroleum based. One car will release approximately 24 pounds of CO2 for every gallon of gas. By the year 2100, it is projected that atmospheric concentration levels will be as much as 1,060 parts per million versus 440 parts per million today, and we will see a 4 degrees Celsius temperature rise.
There are many opportunities to lower the amount of CO2 emissions into the environment by just adjusting some of our daily lifestyle transportation choices. About 23% of Montana State University students, faculty, and staff utilize a bicycle as a method of transportation, as well as walking to and around campus using bike paths and trails. Other modes of transportation include carpooling and public transport systems such as Bozeman's fare-free Streamline Bus, which can be utilized to minimize the amount of carbon dioxide released into our environment.
Although we can all make choices in our daily lives to lower the emissions of our transportation system, we need to start focusing on the large-scale and long-term solutions. Electric cars have zero tailpipe emissions, but these vehicles are not considered a zero carbon product. This is due to the use of coal-fired power plants to create energy to fuel these vehicles. Today, the average electric vehicle has the same greenhouse gas emissions as a car getting 80 miles to the gallon. Electric vehicles are creating a platform for a more sustainable transport method, and sustainable options are more important than ever.